Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to Dead End Garage. On today's episode, I go pick up a sweet little 1961 Comet. I road trip it all the way back to my house, and then I immediately flip it and make some cash on it. So you guys stay tuned because you don't want to miss it.
Look to send me your channel.
You can leave it blank if you want
I'm gonna put the price for me.
Yeah, that's fine.
Would we say $22.50?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
But
Try to get all the videos signed. I'm a little nervous driving this car home.
down, and it had been in a garage for a long time, so there was. I thought it was black.
Oh, really? It was so dirty.
Yeah, and the windows, and it was middle of winter. And he wants to sign right here. I couldn't really see the thing.
How far did you guys drive
From Ironton area, so like
okay.
30 minutes, 25 minutes.
Just got some gas. I spilled it everywhere. This is the day after. I was looking at the car yesterday. We came back. Decided to just get it today. This will be a little more forgiving driving in the daylight if anything were to happen to the car. Alright, you guys, we just did some antique, and I should have videoed that because it was pretty cool. I didn't think about it. But we're heading back to Alcohol from Huntington, West Virginia. It's about 46 miles, so hopefully the old car does good. I'll take some videos and keep you guys updated. Another hour of this. Some old back 2-lane roads. Just kind of wanting to get into a hot rod and you don't got a shit ton of cash. I mean, I only paid $2,200 for this car, which took me some negotiations because he was pretty stuck on $2,950 when we got there. But you know, everything works out like it's supposed to. Brakes damn near go to the floor. That's the only thing that's got me a little worried. We are up in the mountains.
closest town to my house, but it's literally like one little street right here. Like this is the whole entire town, and none of this shit's open. Thought that fucking dude was gonna pull out in front of me. Cool little car, but I've got it sold. Someone's about to bring me some cash for it. Oh, there goes the little comment. Alright, what's up you guys? Thanks for tuning in to the most badass hot rod channel on YouTube. We sold the Comet, we got a stack of cash. I'm looking for another hot rod. So we're gonna hit up Marketplace and see what we can find. And I'm gonna go buy some more cool shit in the video to show you guys. So like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that stuff, because you wanna get notified every time I post one of these badass videos. Shit, I swear, these motherfuckers always blowing up my damn phone. Hello?